driven by me in Cowboy. Well, you can see how pretty the country is out here. And scenic overlook 1 mile. There's a different road over there on the left over there. And they got another runaway ramp up here. And got it down to 1 lane now for truck. 1 lane going this way only. Yeah, you can see how pretty that country is over here on the left. And there's where that runaway ramp is. Well, guess what? That's the way we're going to go back down over there and that way there. That way right there. Around the curve. And that's where that sharp 20-mile-an-hour curve is. And pretty neat out here. And it's amazing how they, the people that came across here first to make the road and all that stuff, and do the first routing and the hard work that was involved in that. 20-mile-an-hour curve, 500 feet. Scenic overlook. Not enough room in there for trucks though. But yeah, look how pretty it's down there. And just look at it down there. But like I said, got a 20-mile-an-hour curve down over here. Still got 7% grade. Still 25 miles an hour for trucks. So stay tuned for more. Happy trails. Be safe. Bye.